Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami sword. So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half one way diagonally. Top, left, and right edges to align with the vertical crease. With the diagonal crease. Now what you want to do is fold these two sides along to the center crease here. Now flip your paper over. And then fold the two creases you just made in the previous step to align with the central vertical crease. Now flip your paper over again. Now what you want to do is fold these two flaps diagonally. Now turn your paper over again. And then in this area, and then fold upwards up in about this area here. Flip your paper over like this. It's already flipped over. And then fold the crease you made in the previous step. And then fold downwards again. Now what you want to do is fold both sides along to the center to make the sword narrower. Then fold the crossguard on each side back to their respective sides. Now what you want to do is fold the left and right edges of the sword onto the center here. Now you have your own origami sword. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.